Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. There are many people who would be preparing for their IELTS exam or maybe thinking to do it in the future. Utilizing your time properly would surely help to improve your knowledge and language skills. If you are willing to put some effort now, it would help you to get better results. I am very happy to say that I got my record band score through proper guidance and practice. I would like to share some of the simple and basic tips that I know with you guys so that it may help to improve your learning and language skills to a certain extent. I am one among you guys and sometimes mistake could happen in doing any videos. So please be free to point out if anything is wrong and I promise you I will look to it and will change if needed. I believe through this I would also get an opportunity to learn new things from you also guys. One important point that I want to tell you is, please don't think that you can achieve your goal within 3 days, 1 week or 15 days of practicing. Everyone is unique and obviously there may be people who could prepare for their exams within a short time period. But it is always better to learn thoroughly and prepare for a test till you get enough confidence to attend your exam well. This was some brief introduction. And now let's get started to the main points. IELTS, International English Language Testing System. IELTS is an international standard test to judge the proficiency in the English language for non-native English language speakers who want to study or work in a country where English is a language of communication. IELTS requires thorough preparation. Moreover, practice makes perfect. IELTS has two versions. One is general training and the other is academic. Both general and academic versions consist of 4 modules and that are listening, reading, writing and speaking. Academic module is taken by the candidates who go for higher studies and in the case of certain job seekers like nurses. Listening and speaking would be same for both general and academic except reading and writing. For academic writing, there will be 2 tasks. Task 1 would be graph and task 2 would be essay writing. For general training, task 1 would be letter writing and task 2 would be essay writing. Basic tips to improve your language are: practice each module daily. Read English books, magazines, journals or newspapers. Watch English movies, TED Talks or news. Communicate in English with your friends and family if possible. Learning some basic grammar is one of the main tips that can't be ignored. It helps to improve your writing and speaking skills. Some of the main grammar topics include auxiliary verbs, tenses, active and passive voice, direct and indirect speech, preposition, correlative conjunction, if clause and articles. Be careful in punctuation and spelling. Try to enrich your vocabulary. Learn synonyms to score more in speaking and writing module. Exercise fluency and pronunciation. Practice listening. Thank you so much guys for watching this video and I will be putting brief notes on selected grammar topics which will be helpful in preparing your language skills as well as interesting tips to learn each module. And finally, how to improve your confidence level in the coming videos. Please like, share and subscribe if you like this video and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you my dear friends for watching this video and take care.